This is Elliott from Cockroach City. This is my bike check. So I got ODI extra long neck grips, some ODI bar-ends. I got the premium whiskey bars, like 8.25 rise. Don't know the width. I got the Sunday free stem. Some generic or some headset, I don't know what it is. I got BSD ghetto forks, and then for pegs I got some old demolitions and shadow slider dies. Front hub, I got the demolition hub, laced to E-clat hoops with the demolition momentum tires. And then for my frame, I got a stock premium Subway frame. Don't know what sprocket I have, with the Shadow half link chain.
With your 2 red links.
Some stock cranks. And I got the Odyssey JCPC pedals. Grippy. Leave some scars when you get shinners. I got a United seat post with a kink seat. For back wheel, I got an E-clat hoop, laced to demolition free coaster, and then with the same tires. Yeah, it's my bike. So, do a drop test. You gotta keep your bike dialed. Solid. Follow at the Real Cockroach City.